Hey, my dear friends, this is what is happening now. My friend is here, she'll sing a song. I don't know whether she's interested. When there is sun as well as rain, we can expect a rainbow. These are our garden blooms. I used to pluck the flowers for puja and all in the morning, but today I didn't do that. This is our sun. Can you see the sun? Can you see the clouds? Can you see the rain? Lot of pink lilies have got a bloom. Small greens have kept. Yellow flowers, red hibiscus, and lots of small tiny shrubs. They drizzle and make the plants move. I don't know whether you'll be able to see that. So nice to see the droplets of water, the rainwater falling down onto the earth and then making the plants to move. Small tiny birds are visiting our place and having fun here. They are so swift. Happy day, my dear friends. A day full of love, light and happiness, prosperity, wisdom and peace. I just need to go and show my beetle patch, the money plant. This is an ant, what do you say, I don't know, mound, ant mound. Nice designs in the front here. We have cut all the branches of the mango tree. Still some more are left. A rose plant, ant mound, money plant. It was just drizzling. I don't know, some water is falling down onto the earth. So the wonders of nature. The nest we have got here, a small nest. Small tiny birds are actually flying away. We are having a lot of job to do.